Hi, my name's Katie, and in this video, we are going to go over our invoice client task. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Then you're going to want to go ahead and click Firm Templates, Tasks, and then Invoice Client. This is going to show you everything involved in the task. You can see the task name, the task description, the role that it's assigned to. It starts in 0 days, which means it starts today. It's due in 2 days, and that it has a subtask. This task can be used as a one-time task or as part of a pipeline. I would not use this if you're invoicing as part of your proposal unless you are doing a separate invoice because you only did a deposit in your proposal. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. We're going to assign this as a one-time task. We're going to go ahead and click New, Task. We're going to assign it to my test account, which is under my name. I'm going to go ahead and select the template. And here again, we can see everything that's involved to the task. Reminder, you don't need to use this if you're including the full invoice with your engagement letter or proposal. And then you do want to create an invoice in TaxDome. You can also do an offline payment if you are taking payments through a different source. You can see that today is the day that we're invoicing them, and it's due tomorrow. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thanks and have a great day.